Class A. This video is just to review conjugating AR verbs in the present tense, whether you were gone or you're just a little bit confused. Hopefully this video will shed some light on the concept. So conjugating verbs means that we're changing the verb to based on who's doing the action. So whether I'm doing the action or you are or we are, the verb changes a little bit, and it changes at the end of the word. And how do we know that who's doing the action is with our pronouns? So you're going to be very familiar with the pronouns. We've got our singular pronouns. We have yo, that means I. Tu, that's you. And then we have three pronouns that use the same form. We've got él, ella, and usted, and they respectively mean he, she, and you, but formal. So these are our singular pronouns, but we can't forget about our plural pronouns. We have nosotros and nosotras. That's we. We also have vosotros or vosotras. That kind of means y'all or you all. And then just like él, ella, usted, we've got ellos, ellas, and ustedes, which means they, masculino, they, femenino, and you all, but more formal. So now that we've got our pronouns, let's talk about how to conjugate verbs in AR verbs in the present tense. Our first step is we take off the ending. So if I have a verb like cantar, which means to sing, I'm going to take off the AR. Boom, no more. Goodbye. Adios. Then I have to add the ending, a proper ending based on the pronoun. So the endings are respectively. If I'm talking about myself, I'm going to end it with an O. If I'm talking about you, I'm going to end it with an as. Ending it with, if I'm talking about he or she or you formal, I'm just going to end it with an a. If we are doing the action, the ending is going to be amos. That's a good one. If y'all are doing the action, that's ice. A-I-S is pronounced ice. And then the ending for ellos, ellas, ustedes is on. So what does this mean? If I have this verb cantar, to sing, my first step is take off the ending. We've already done that. Adios, goodbye. Now we have to add the ending based on who's doing the action. If I'm doing the action, I'm going to add an O. So cantar turns to canto, which means I sing. If you are doing the action, I take off the AR and I add an AS. So cantar changes to cantas, which means you sing. If he or she is doing the action, again, I take off the ending, the AR, and I add just an A. So cantar changes to canta, which means he or she or you sing. Nosotros is the same way. I take off the ending, take off the AR, and add an amos. So cantar changes to cantamos. We sing. Vosotros form, again, take off the AR and add an ice. So cantar changes to cantáis. Y'all sing. Oops. And then last but not least, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Guess what? We take off the ending again and we add an AN. So cantar changes to cantan, which means they or you all sing. After you've figured out the endings to this AR verb like cantar, you can do this with all regular AR verbs. So cantar, hablar, bailar, caminar, montar. The list can go on and on and on, and that list is in your notes. But hopefully this makes more sense. And yeah, gracias.